5 things most successful people do at night before sleep. So, what do you do at night before going to bed? Do you take a walk? Do you spend quality time with your family? Or do you surf the web? What about successful people? Does they sleep like an ordinary person without any planning? Or do they do some activities before going to bed that help them grow and remain successful? One thing is sure that the successful person do some different planning and activities before sleeping. Here are 5 things they do before going to bed. Number 1. Writing down accomplishments for the day in the personal diary. Most successful people write a diary before sleeping at night. In this diary, he writes down his good thoughts and accomplishments for the day. They write down what they did throughout the day. Planning of life ahead can also be written in the diary. Write down at least 3 to 5 things that you appreciated and have accomplished during the day and your plans for the next day. Write down big and small successes that you have achieved. A diary is an essential part of the successful person's life because writing down the diary itself shows how many good things were done in a particular day. Number 2. Successful people read good and useful books. Many successful people in the world are voracious readers. Successful people read good books before sleeping at night. These books can be related to their career or can be related to their business. They read and they learn from what others talk about. Apart from this, one can also read motivational books, biography of successful people, which gives the idea to become successful and grow financially in life. Reading such books is an essential part of the successful person's life because such books provide positive energy, motivation, and new ideas which he can use in his work. Do you know that reading and learning can shortcut your journey to success? If you don't, believe us and try it once. Number 3. Plans for the next day. This is one of the most important things successful people do before going to bed. Planning for tomorrow, writing down what needs to be completed, helps in organizing the work and helps such people to manage their time efficiently. Apart from this, what clothes to wear the next day, which documents to be taken along with, what other things to take with you from home, everything is planned in advance. This type of planning benefits a lot and there is a least chance to miss any work-related activity. Many great authors and speakers recommend spending a little time envisioning how the next day will go, which does wonders to help you mentally prepare for just about anything. Successful people use these time management tips. Number 4. Meditation. Meditation is good for both your mental health and physical health. Meditation works as a recharge for your energy and get you focused in what you want. Meditation is another great thing that successful people practice at night. Meditation helps to feel deeply relaxed after the hustle and bustle of the day. Number 5. Positive thinking. Successful people prefer to keep only positive thoughts in their mind before sleeping at night. In addition, successful people keep their surroundings clean and positive before sleeping at night. By doing all these things, person gets a deep sleep and also the mind gets peace and relaxation. Successful people are aware that getting enough hours of sleep is one of the most important energy sources for a person when he wakes up the next day. If you don't get enough sleep, you will feel tired and you will not be able to get things done correctly and overall your next day won't be productive. So these were 5 things most successful people do at night before sleep. If you want to become successful, then start following these 5 powerful things and trust me, no one will stop you from becoming successful.